we're having this family cooking show, Daddy's Recipe. The hope is so that we can have daddies and their kids creating activities in the kitchen, building bonds, creating memories, and growing the next generation.
Oh,
We did it!
oh, I messed it up a little bit, but
Welcome to Ahinke's Cooking Show, another episode of Daddy's Recipe. This episode, we have amazing daddy sitting down here with his two beautiful kids. And before we go right into that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ahinke's Kitchen. So Ahinke's Kitchen is, our mission at Ahinke's Kitchen is to nurture harmonies in home, to support families with freshly delicious Afro-centric delicacies, the busy ones who need that space, that quality time, that meal time, where we could build the bond of harmony, peace, and happiness within the home. So right into it, I'm going to introduce the Unwosu's family on, because they're going to be joining us to cook a delicious meal. So I'm going to let them introduce themselves.
okay. My name is Henry, and these are my kids.
Zugo, Kasima,
And Kasima, thank you so much. What are you guys going to be cooking today?
Pancakes.
Oh, pancakes. Is
Yeah.
there going to be any other thing? Pancakes and anything else?
Hopefully we'll put some fruits on it too.
Oh, nice.
So make it
We're
look nice.
so excited. That's great. So we're going to be having some yummy delicious. I cannot wait. So let's go right into the kitchen and come show us what you got.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome back. So now we're in the kitchen and we're ready to cook. So I'm going to leave the Unwosu's family to show us their skills. All right?
Okay, thank you. Would get a bowl, kiddos. Get the bigger bowl. Okay, the bigger bowl, and then Cassie, can we help me get the measuring spoon? Let's see. This is 1 cup, so we can do this.
One bowl.
We can use this, and yeah. So let's we'll do 2 cups of pancakes. So you help me do the measurement.
2 cups.
2 cups of pancakes, yeah. Okay. All right, let's go. I want to take 2 cups of this. Just gently. Let me help you. So that we don't measure it twice. Just level cups. That looks big.
So Cassie, tell me, what grade are you in? What?
Grade 1,
Grade 1? What school?
St. Jerome.
St. Jerome? Here in Calgary? Oh, that's good. You go to the same school?
Yes, well, I'm in a different grade.
Oh yeah? What grade are you?
Grade 2.
Great.
He's in 2 going to
I
3. Cassie's
know.
in 3. Cassie's in 1 going to 2.
Oh wow. You guys are big. Wow, you're big already, so you're taking the summer break. Do you guys have any plans for summer?
Yes.
Oh
Use 2
yeah?
eggs.
Oh, I can't wait to hear.
Say whatever you want to say.
Well, we are going to Calgary Park today.
What? That place is awesome. I take my kids all the time. The rides are so good. For me, I'm always screaming on the rides though because I get really scared. But you guys are gonna have fun. Whoa.
And then just bring my stuffy if I ever get to there.
Really?
And the stuffy I actually got was,
So we're going to use 2 eggs.
was a donut, and I got it from my friend called Annie.
Annie? A donut stuffy?
That's
Oh, what color is it?
it's kind of
We've got another shell on it.
Because it just
Yeah,
has different
so-
colors around. It's like
Rainbow.
pink, blue, purple.
Oh, cool.
I want to crack an egg.
No, don't crack. I will crack, okay?
Aw, why can't we crack?
because, oh, sorry.
That's what happened.
At least you didn't get
That's why you can't crack.
It's so slippery. It's so
Alright.
smooth. That's why. Open.
So, I love putting eggs in pancake just to increase the protein content, right? So this is a cup of milk. Cassie, you can pour the cup of milk in. So we'll add a cup of milk and maybe half or another cup of water.
Am I gonna pour everything in?
Yes, pour everything in it gently so it doesn't. Yeah, just pour it.
Learning.
Okay.
Skills.
And,
Only daddy's skills.
I'll get
Water.
another cup of water. Just
Thank God it's Stampede right now in Calgary. So we're in the mood and the spirit of Stampede breakfast. So having these pancakes this morning is the absolute best. Look forward to it. We'll see how it goes.
and Cassie, just put half of that, okay?
I thought I was gonna pour.
Okay, anybody can put it. Okay, just. Okay, so good. Stop. That's fine. That's fine. We need to be sure that we're not putting too much. We'll put a little bit of sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah. So, Sugo, can you help me with the spoon there?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want the sugar.
Just get a spoon. Put just a little bit. Yeah. Okay.
As much as you thought.
That's fine. But don't put the spoon in it. Just put the sugar and then that's it. So you can put the spoon on the plate. That's fine. Yeah, it is.
That's something.
Okay. This might drop a little bit of dust. Hopefully not, but let's see. Aha. So we're mixing the stuff that we already put in here, just to get a decent mix.
Okay, that's why we can stay there.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna go on a quick break and we'll be right back. Hello, my name is Kumbi Oladiri. I am the CEO and founder of Ahinke's Kitchen, now the executive producer of Ahinke's Family Cooking Show. I started Ahinke's Kitchen with the mind to nurture harmonies in homes and to create oneness within home. And for the past 3 years, we have been focused on providing fresh and delicious ethnic-centric delicacies, Nigerian cuisine to be specific, to families in order for them to have the time to spend with their family, in order to make life easier for moms, in order to make it easy to bond and to create memories for busy families, most especially. So now, we're having this family cooking show that we're going to be starting the first season with Daddy's Recipe. The hope is so that we can have daddies and their kids creating activities in the kitchen, building bonds, creating memories, and growing the next generation. So welcome back, everyone. This is looking really good. The pancake mix has been done, so we're about to fry them and see how it comes out. I'm really excited. Do you think they're nailing it? We'll see. We'll know.
Okay, so the next thing we will do is to heat
Butter
up.
the pans.
No, we got a spray, so that's a cooking spray. Okay, so Zugo, you just wet the pan a little bit. You know, just a little bit. Okay, let me. This I can do from a distance. It's just cooking oil, right? So we're going to do that just so that our pancakes don't stick in the pot. And we'll start our flame. So I have a very low heat, and I hope we get it right.
Don't worry. This is the chest pizza. Oh, it looks
Got
fluffy.
something on the pan.
Looks fluffy.
Usually at home, when I want to make pancakes, I have the moral support of my wife. Because she gives me the code. Well, she's sitting somewhere anyway. I think she thinks I can do it. So,
And you're doing it. You're doing it with the kids. What do you guys think? Is Daddy doing it?
okay.
He's doing it with you this time.
So, I think it would be a good idea to oil my pan too. So,
Okay, Kasima, let's have
so
you
my
oil.
sausages don't stick to the pan. Cassie,
First, how do I oil?
just
Just
squeeze.
push. Just push that button.
Yeah, squeeze again. So I'm trying to be careful. You can see me touching my pan. I'm actually trying to be careful so that my pancakes don't come out black.
Girl.
It would be, it would be embarrassing if they come out black, right?
Black is beautiful.
Yeah. Well, not when you roast. Oh, I can smell something. Okay, I can smell something.
Dad, stop the pancake for a moment.
Should I?
Yes.
It looks like it's getting hot, right?
Yes, it's getting hot. Well, you're not able to flip it.
Yes, I know. Something tells me this is black. The smell tells me that it's black.
Definitely black.
Ah, that's black and soft. Ah,
Black. Wait, I don't think it's so black.
have faith. You
Are we
munchies.
flipping it?
Yeah, hopefully we'll get
Kenya.
it flipped.
Let's do this.
Stay away. Just stay away.
6 feet apart.
In case it comes out. Oh, I messed it up a little bit, but
That looks lovely.
it's not too
That is
horrible.
really good.
It's not too horrible. It's not too
It's
horrible.
not as bad.
It's not too horrible. Don't worry. Hopefully the next one will not come out black.
Hopefully.
Oh, so how long have you guys been in Calgary? How long have you guys been in Calgary?
2018,
3 years, 3 years
2020.
and 4 months. Yeah,
Oh wow.
yeah.
And how has it been? What do you think? What do you think about the city?
It's been a beautiful experience.
Oh,
must
I
say.
know. Calgary is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Very easy place to raise kids.
Yeah.
So yeah, nice.
So, we're done with the sausage, so I just put the towel, the paper towel, just to dab the oil, the excess oil from it. That's it.
Okay, Daddy.
You want to move backwards?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll flip this again. Oh,
It folded.
it folded, yeah?
Well, everything's still fine. Dad, didn't I tell you your pancake will turn out best?
Yeah, but I don't like it folding, right? But so,
Are we done? Oh, it looks like we're done.
looks like here. Okay, see? Hotter down.
No, I'm not gonna. The perfect pancake. A cup.
Ooh, it's time to eat. So welcome back everyone. We have our full breakfast. This looks really good. It smells delicious in here. I can smell the sausages and the egg from the pancakes, so I'm excited. I'm gonna leave it to the Moses family to dish out a plate that they want me to try so I can give them that verdict.
Okay. All right. Cassie, just no, leave this here. Use a fork. Get the sausage and put in here.
Look for tastiest.
The tastiest one.
And then,
I get the tastiest sausage. I'm so lucky.
okay. You can just take the second one. Put here. Good. Okay. So let's first put the syrup.
Add some in there just to try it out.
Okay.
But I want you guys to do your special syrup thing
Okay. So
that you do.
You can do
How
this.
do we do it with the bottle? Wow.
Do it how you do it. It looks like Amanda says,
He looks like a monster. It looks like it's sticking out its tongue. Looks like an alien.
Don't worry, it's part of the fun.
it's part of
Alien.
it. It's part of it.
What?
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's time to try this.
Let's hope.
The
that-
Oasis special pancake, homemade pancake. Okay, so I'm gonna go for more syrup. Are you nervous? But I think it looks really fluffy, very fluffy. So you're making me- it
Don't
tastes
choke-
good.
Don't
No,
choke
I'm
on
not
it.
It actually tastes really good. Like I like the egg and the milk. It's really full.
Okay.
It's loaded. I love it. So you guys should try it. Try. Let me know.
That's what I love about the pancake.
Oh,
Of
course.
Great.
of course.
Okay.
Go ahead. It's really full.
I could do something different for you guys here. We could do
And the
this.
sausage is yummy.
Um,
So good.
These blueberries have some great taste.
You do? Awesome.
okay.
That's
That's the knife.
Ahinke's kitchen
Get the knife,
blueberry.
let's start.
We
Oh,
need
you
a
said you
knife.
wanted butter,
Oh,
right?
you need a knife? Here you go.
Okay.
She's the best. This tastes so good. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god, I totally forget. There you go. I did not know that you guys are still here with us. I'm like, let's just keep going. So thank you so much. Thank you. I totally forget. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining us. Thank you to the Umosis family for coming to grace us with their time. It was really nice having them over and cooking this delicious breakfast for us. Thank you, guys. Do you want? What would you like to say to the camera? Go ahead.
We would like to say these pancakes, I know they're super yummy, and we hope you follow the ingredients to make them. And thank you for watching.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And stay tuned for the next episode. See you next time. Bye.